How to use Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to use Instagram, first of all, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of Instagram application. So launch Google Play Store and simply search for Instagram application. Here you can see we do not have any update available, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So tap on open, and as you tap on open, it will lead us to this main page of Instagram application. Now, what you get to see different options over here is at the bottom of the screen, you have the home icon. Next is the reel section. So let's just tap on the reel section over here. And here we have the DM section on the middle where you can simply send messages to different people. Then we have the search icon or the explore page where you can simply see all the explore option, and you can also tap on the search bar and start exploring various people. Next is your profile icon at the bottom right corner where you can see all your posts, all your information about your own profile, and so on. So if you want to create any sort of post, you can simply tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen, and here you can select what you would want to post, from reels, post, stories, to so on. So if you want to post anything, tap on post, and here you can simply select any pictures or videos and then select on next, and here you can simply make necessary edits. Tap on next and simply post it on your story or on your profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.